Look at this girl, quietly minding her own business. When you're out in public, you've got to be careful how you sit. Suddenly, a photographer beside her snaps a shot, right when she yawns. Before she even realizes what's happened, he prints the photo and hands it to her. At first, total shock. Then, her eyes flare up with rage, as if she's about to burn the photo right there. The poor photographer, already halfway underground in fear. So remember, snapping someone's awkward moment might seem funny, but the reaction, it can be terrifying.